Why you need iron foods with iron for vegans. Iron is a mineral essential for proper growth and development. Your body uses it to make hemoglobin and certain hormones. Two types of iron are found in food: heme, animal-derived, and non-heme, plant-derived. Although it can be taken as a supplement, enough iron is available in our dietary sources. Vegans can find non-heme iron in dried beans and legumes, dark green leafy vegetables, dried fruits, nuts and seeds, and wholegrain cereals and breads. Hemoglobin is a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from your lungs to all parts of the body. Myoglobin, another protein made by iron, brings oxygen to your muscles. Why you need iron. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with Vegan Cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. Your body needs iron to function properly. Too little will lead to an iron deficiency. Too much can cause iron poisoning. The average amount of iron a vegan needs is 32 milligrams per day for women and 14 milligrams per day for men. Vegans need up to 1.8 times more iron than people who eat meat. Iron plays an important part in proper bodily functions, including 1. Blood production health. Iron is found in red blood cells called hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in your blood from your lungs to your tissues. This improves your heart health, respiratory functions, and immune function. 2. Physical health. Your skin, hair, and nails appear stronger and healthier due to the synthesis of collagen, a protein needed for joint and skin health. Collagen is made by iron, a component of the enzymes essential for proper production. Iron is found in muscle cells. Called myoglobin, it helps muscles accept, store, and transport oxygen. 3. Mental health. Iron makes up certain proteins essential for energy metabolism. The right amount of iron improves general energy and increases focus. Low levels of iron can lead to an iron deficiency called anemia. The symptoms of anemia include fatigue, weakness, pale or yellowish skin, shortness of breath, dizziness or lightheadedness, chest pain, cold hands and feet, headaches. Foods with iron for vegans. There is a misconception that a vegan diet is missing iron. However, vegans are no more likely to develop iron deficiency anemia than the general population. Vegans typically consume an adequate amount of iron because their diet is high in vitamin C, which improves absorption of non-heme iron. These 6 foods are great sources of vegan-friendly iron. Number 1. Blackstrap molasses. Blackstrap molasses is the best source of non-heme iron. Only 2 tablespoons contains 7.2 milligrams of iron. Molasses contains higher amounts of sugar, so intake should be limited. Number 2. Lentils. Lentils come in 3 varieties: brown, green, and red. Lentils are not only full of iron, but also high in potassium, fiber, and folate, A-B vitamin. 1 cup contains 6.6 milligrams of iron. Number 3. Tofu/tempeh. Tofu and tempeh soy-based products are an integral part of a vegan diet. Tofu has a higher iron content of 6.6 milligrams per half cup. 1 cup of tempeh has 4.5 milligrams of iron. Number 4. Spinach. 1 cup of cooked spinach contains 6.4 milligrams of iron. Adding spinach to meals, whether it's sautéed in a dish, added to smoothies, or eaten raw, is an easy way of including more iron in your diet. Number 5. Beans. Beans are a great source of iron. Kidney beans, soybeans, and lima beans have the highest iron content. Number 6. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a green leafy vegetable rich in vitamins and minerals. This multi-beneficial vegetable can be steamed, sautéed, or eaten raw. But it's less bitter when cooked. 1 cup of cooked Swiss chard contains 4 milligrams of iron. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.